woods. Just going through the trails here on the property. Gonna check out the mud hole. Not big, but it's something.
That's what she said.
All right, this is what we have to work with for a mud hole. It's not super deep, but it is swampy and mucky. So I think what I'm gonna do is hit it a couple times, kind of rut it up, spin it up a bit, and see what we're working with. This stuff has got to be the smelliest mud in the history of mud. It literally smells like man. All right, I've gotten from the little brook creek, and my plan is dig it out so that the water will run down and into there. Hopefully I can get back out here after supper and before dark and finish this off. I got to get it done quickly. Supposed to get a good amount of rain tomorrow and a little bit the next day. So I really want this brook filling up and running in to the mud hole. All right, we're back. I'm at the end of it. The water is flowing a bit. Oh, baby. The water's kind of moving. I mean, it's not high, so it's not moving much, but I'm hoping I got it dug out enough so that when we do get some rain tonight and tomorrow, and I think maybe the next day, I don't know, that this baby will fill up a little bit. It used to be filled up to there. I dammed it off with some logs on that side, so hopefully that'll take care of it. I'm gonna get her to the trees here. So like I said, we're getting some rain over the next couple days. See how she looks. Hopefully it'll be filled up a bit. I mean, I don't have high hopes because I kind of, wouldn't say I half-assed it, but, you know, ain't a backhoe. So leave her for today. See how she looks tomorrow. Nice morning, beauty day, sun's up. It's a brisk little 5 degrees, which I think is like low 40s for the Americans out there. We're gonna go check out the mud hole. We got a decent amount. Time to get the old girl out here and just see if it filled up a little bit. Any excuse to start it though, right? There's a bit of hope. The trail to the mud hole got a little swampy. Okay, so it seems like it's a bit higher, but not much. Over there was dry, now it's not. The water level itself, I think, is a little higher. My little half-assed dam there, it wasn't that high on it before. And there's where I trenched out. I think I'll clean that out a little more. There's a little one here. Maybe even trench that out a bit so that that part of the brook can enter the hole. First, might as well test it out again, rut it up a little more. Probably tell it was like a tiny bit higher, not a whole lot, but it's still fun to play around in. I will dig that out a little more, dig that out a little more, dam that up a little better. Maybe after work I'll come back and work on it a little more. Damn, she's sexy. All right, it's another day. The mud hole needs Mother Nature to do its thing. It is what it is. Time to move on to something else. I think it's time I wheelie this baby. I've popped the front end of it up, giving it the beans a little bit, but I've never really done a true wheelie. Okay, so I've pretty much been told, pop her into sport mode, pop her into low. Let's see. Okay, that was pretty unsuccessful, but I'm gonna try it on the pavement. I want to get it popped up at least once here. This is stupid. nothing but disappointed so far. Well, that was garbage. I mean, the front end popped up a little bit, but far from a wheelie. I need practice off camera, then I'll film some more. So the mud hole didn't quite work out. Well, it might. The wheelies didn't quite work out. Well, they might. So like, comment, subscribe. Find out what else almost works out in the future. All right, peace.